meat because this meat is just Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to cook mixed vegetables, all the vegetables in here and with meat. So that is my menu for today, cooking at home with me. So done the sayuti, it's called sayuti vegetables, done. Okay, it's here. So the mixed vegetable, mushroom, everything, carrots, the taugi, the mungus roots, the beans roots, and this one, the string beans. So we need to cut both side. Yeah, this one, like that. All done, guys. The meat. So all done the meat. Put in here. Spring onions. All done. The spring onion. Aubergines. Done the aubergines. Pepper. Done the red pepper. Garlic. Done the garlic. And onions. Yeah, this is red onions. I'm using the red onions. Done the onions. I'm done the carrots. Done the carrots. So now I need to open the pan. Make it hot first. So the meat first. Now the meat is ready now. So I need to add the onions. Onions, then garlic. Yeah, like that. So this one, the soy sauce, dato puti soy sauce. So we put it here. Little bit, just 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then the oyster sauce is a thick oyster sauce. Oh my god. Thick oyster sauce, just a little bit, not much. Just a little bit. So this one, a little bit, the powder, seasoning powder, a little bit of seasoning powder, just a little bit. Okay. So mix together. Mix. So I need to add water to make the meat soft. So I need to add the beans. This one. Yeah, the green beans. Yeah, this one, the green beans. This one is the, what's it called? The lemongrass. Now let's add the sayuti. Sayuti. Mix it. Mix it. This is one of the nice vegetable. And then the carrots. Carrots, guys. Yeah, just mix. Then the aubergines. Yeah, this one, the aubergines, one of my favorite vegetables. Then the red pepper. Yeah, here comes, not much red pepper. And the roots of the mungo beans. This is the roots of the mungo beans. Not much, I will not finish all this, is that like that. Yeah, mix together. This is the roots of the mungo beans. This one also of my favorite vegetables. Recording. And this one, the spring onions. So it looks like this. So I'm almost done. Yeah, like that. Mixed vegetable. Now it's ready now, guys. I need to taste. If it's the food, it's okay. Now it's ready. I need to taste. Let's check the pork here. It's ready. I don't want to make the vegetables to be more soft because there's no more nutrients if it's soft. So I need to taste. This is the meat. It's really soft. And beans. And the sayuti, check. This one, the roots of the mung beans is called tauge. I don't know what's this one in English. Perfect. So now this one, guys. It's perfect. Perfect cooked by me. So thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day. Now guys, it's ready now. So this one I need to put in a box. In here, in my glass box. If I didn't finish this one, then I put this one in the freezer. So now, yeah, I'm ready now for my dinner, but I need to cook the rice first because it's good, this one with the rice. I will cook plain white rice. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I'm not perfect, I'm not a chef cook, but I try my best to cook at home. Thank you so much. I hope you click like. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon to my next video. Hopefully soon, next week.